Walang malinaw na kasunduan? Does your partner ever feel like they're doing everything while you handle the easy part? Or baka ganito rin kayo tulad ni Brian at ni Faye. Meron silang provincial trucking business. Brian handles the trucks, the drivers, the routes, while Faye naman takes care of billing, collections, and paying suppliers. Simple, di ba? Maganda ang division of labor nila. Pero sa totoo, walang clear na agreement kung sino talaga ang responsible for what. So when a driver complained about late salary, Brian said, "Faye, bakit hindi ka pabayad?" And Faye fired back, ikaw, bakit hindi mo sinabi na may bagong driver ka? Hindi ko alam na may dagdadagdag sa payroll. And they both felt blindsided. Brian thought payroll was always Faye's job, but Faye thought that Brian would tell her about new hires before payday. Pareho silang nagulat, pareho silang nasaktan. Pero wala namang nakasulat na nagsasabi nito. Lahat ng agreement nila nasa isip lang, nasa assumption lang. Wala ni isang document na malinaw na nagsasabing, this is Brian's responsibility, this is Faye's responsibility. So every time na may bumagsak na task, nagkakatulakan sila. Ikaw dapat yan. Hindi, ikaw. And the fighting got worse every month. Hindi na nila napag-uusapan ng maayos kasi pareho silang nakakaramdam na hindi nila kasalanan. Anak, eto ang lesson. When roles exist only in your head, every drop task becomes a blame game. What's not written down will always be misunderstood. And misunderstanding between partners does not just hurt the business, it hurts the trust between you. Would you want this to keep going? I'm sure you don't, right? Kaya tandaan, dapat maging business-minded, Pinoy.